So, you want to try out the AOC calculator? Perfect. You're in exactly the right place. In this quick explainer, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to sign up and activate your free 7-day trial. Believe me, it's way faster and easier than you think.
Think of this free trial as your 7-day all-access pass. You're getting the same powerful tools that the pros use to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'm talking everything from the live option chain to the LTP calculator. So let's get it activated.
Okay, so this is probably what you're seeing right now, the main dashboard. Whether you're on the website or the mobile app, this is our starting point. And our goal? It's to get you from that dashboard to this, My Profile screen, showing your free trial is up and running. And we're going to do it in just a few simple clicks.
All right, let's kick things off by finding that all-important sign-up button.
So back on that main dashboard, cast your eyes to the top left corner. You see that Login Sign Up button? That's our first click. Let's go ahead and tap that.
Once you click that, you've got two super simple options for creating your account.
You can either sign in with Google, which is honestly the express lane, just one click and you're pretty much done, or you can do the classic manual sign up, by typing in your email and all that. Both are really quick.
For this little guide, we're going to walk through the manual method just so you can see every single step. But hey, remember, that Google option, it's even faster.
So after choosing the manual way, you'll land on this login page. Now don't fill this out. Instead, look down a bit and click on the Create Account link. That's what's going to start your new profile.
This brings up a really simple registration form. It's just asking for your full name, email, and mobile number. And hey, make sure that mobile number is correct. You're absolutely going to need it for the final step.
Go ahead and fill in your information, just like you see here. Your name, your email, and that mobile number. Then, of course, pick a nice, strong, secure password for your account.
Okay, once you've given your details a quick double check, go ahead and smash that register button.
Your account is now created, but hold on, we're not quite done yet. This next bit is the final and most important step, verifying your account to actually switch on that free trial.
See, to unlock the free trial and get all those juicy premium features, you have to complete a quick mobile verification. It's a really simple step that just confirms you're a real user, and it's the key to getting full access.
The process couldn't be simpler, really. You confirm your number, the system zaps a code to you via SMS, and then you just pop that code in to verify. Let's see it in action.
Right after you hit register, this mobile verification pop-up will appear. Your number might even be filled in for you already. Just make sure it's correct and click Send OTP.
All right, grab your phone. You should have just gotten an SMS with a one-time password, or OTP. Just open up your messages and find that code.
Now, just type that code from your text message right into the Enter OTP field, and then click Verify OTP. And that's it. This is the final click that unlocks everything.
And just like that, you're in. With that one click, you've successfully activated your account. Welcome to AOC Pro.
You'll be automatically logged in and taken straight to your My Profile screen. This right here is your confirmation that your account is fully active and totally ready to go.
And here's the proof in the pudding. Right in the AOC Pro section, you can see it says active and that you've got 7 days remaining. Your free trial countdown has officially started.
So, now that you're in, what should you do first? Well, you've got full access, so I say dive right in. Go check out the live option chain to see that real-time data, or maybe use the LTP calculator to find some reversal points. Heck, you could just go to Settings and switch to Dark Mode. Your 7-day pass is active, the setup is all done. The only question left is, what will you analyze first?